their team of 3 to 4 people was putting up 10 to 15 a month, and you just walk in like, oh yeah, I just did 23. Like, how the heck did you like do that so differently than more established people? Like, what was going on? Was it work ethic? Was it strategies? Was it just hustle? Like, what was going on?
If you can do it again, we'll make you a partner. You're my minority partner in the company, but yeah, we'll do that. So what did I do? I went to work.
Yep.
37 deals later, technically my second month, but really like a month and a half later. So almost 3 months into the business, 37 plus 23, whatever that is, right? Like 60 deals in 3 months. Not bad.
Yep.
Not bad. And, or 50 deals. Is that 50 deals? That's 60 deals. I'm not very good at math. It's a few deals. It was 23 and then 37.
So I'm really curious. Like you said, their team of 3 to 4 people was putting up 10 to 15 a month, and you just walk in like, oh yeah, I just did 23. Like, how the heck did you like do that so differently than more established people? Like, what was going on? Was it work ethic? Was it strategies? Was it just hustle? Like, what was going on?
Process. I'm a firm believer that if you put marketing out, leads will come in. It's very simple. Marketing out, leads come in, and then all that's left is have a conversation. So that's the two processes that I've mastered when it comes to this, like any widget, like water. Oh, I'll put this in your hand. And if it's good, you'll come back to me, right? Like, and then we'll have a conversation and you'll want to know how you get more. And I'll be like, I'm glad you asked. Let's talk about it. Like, why was this water more important than the other one you had? What did it do for you? And we can talk about those two processes, like my business process and my conversation if you want. But I believe that when you put marketing out, leads will come in. Here's the problem that most coaches and entrepreneurs have, Arne, is that they want to do all these different things. And it's not what you do, it's how you do it. Let me repeat that for the people in the back. It's not what you do, it's how you do it. And so I don't just like throw out a sign that's like, water, 99 cents, come and get it. That might work. But what if I said, gosh, it's hot outside. A drink would be nice. Have you ever had Artisan Springs trickling distilled water?
Mm-hmm.
If you'd like a taste, shoot me a message. Leads come in. They're like, what is Artisan Springs? Whatever I said. Right? Like I just winged that. So yeah, so it's not what you do, it's how you do it. In marketing, it's all about what you're saying, but not the words coming out of your mouth. It's how it's going to be resonated, right? And sit with your client. So marketing out, leads come in, and all I got to do is have a conversation. So I time blocked my day at that point. Like, how did I do it differently than they were doing it? Like, I wasn't sending out garbage direct mail in real estate, or I wasn't wasting my time driving around. They call it in real estate driving for dollars. Like, gosh, in the 5 hours that you spent round trip and you get 3 leads that aren't even really leads, you got 3 houses that might work in your little buy box, like 5 hours, I've already got a deal because I took 5 minutes to put a specific type of marketing out. We can go into that if you want. We got a challenge that's giving all that away for free right now, but
real quick. So I want to chat with the audience on that for a second. I know we have a lot of people in the audience that are, I wanted to double up on this headline because guys, like Bryce kills it in real estate investing, also kills it in coaching. So if you guys let me know which one you guys are more curious about. So if you guys could type in the chat down below, just say real estate or coaching. Let me know what's your preference, and then we can make sure to spend a little bit more time on that based on what you guys are answering. But I'm super curious about both, so I'm here for the show. So you,
Kevin Zimmerman just went through my challenge and is in my inner circle. First month in our coaching program, he just put in the comments that he's at number 16 for the month. So
wow, that's incredible. That's crazy. And yeah, guys, on shouting out for both reasons. Once again, these guys are running a challenge. So if you're in real estate, interested in real estate, join the challenge. If you are in coaching, in marketing, join the challenge. Like I saw them run it a couple weeks ago, and I saw them run their event and everything, and it was nuts. These guys are doing live streams with like 700 comments on them, and it's just popping off and going crazy. So these guys set a really great example. So whether you're real estate, coaching, whatever, go join the challenge. Should they join an upcoming one or plug into the one you guys got going right now?
Yeah, that's a good question. So we've got a challenge that's actually on its last day right now. And then we've got a challenge actually coming up, if you're listening to this live, this coming Sunday. And so I would say start in the new one. You can go, if you want to register for the challenge, you can go to the number 5, ourfliplive.com/challenge. And if you want to get your feet wet, yeah, if you want to get your feet wet and dive in with me and hang out with me for like 2 days, like the event that Arne went to, I mean, $100, you can just go to 5hourfliplive.com and come hang out with me for 2 days. And I'll show you how to do 10, 15, 20 real estate transactions a month in about 2 to 3 hours a day. So, and just like Arne, I get to travel all over the world. I had 37 deals on the beach of Hawaii last week last year, no, 2 years ago now, on my honeymoon. Did like 18 in a 4-hour session with the mastermind that we did in Florida last year. So yeah, David, can't wait till tonight. Yes.
I'm also very curious on this myself, and I'm sure a lot of other people will be too. Was one of the first things I learned about you guys was that these deals are happening 100% virtual. And I think kind of like the old school train of thought, or people that are just like newer to real estate like me, like, well, how is it virtual? I thought you had to be there and check things out, talk to like, how does that go down virtually?
Yeah, so full disclosure, I contracted 23 houses my first month in the business, right? I only closed 9 of them. That's still really good. But it was because the numbers didn't work. So those are things that I've learned over the years. It comes with experience. However, with my 5-step process to every conversation, you tend to get people to lower their price tens of thousands of dollars before you ever discuss price. Like 9 out of 10 times, I'm not even like, Arne, what do you want to get for your house? No, we just have a conversation. And next thing you know, the number on the table is within 1,000 or 2 that I could offer. And it's probably a pretty good deal. So yeah, it's all about the process. It's all about the process.